So,
Humbug, Colonel.
today we're going to hike Nahanni Ridge. So here we are, we got our trusty little troop. We got our cool packs. Got our best girl packing a lunch.
And the toilet paper.
And the toilet paper. And Abby holding up the butt. So what?
Sometimes they have a bit broader and bigger face. I'm trying to avoid that. Again, why couldn't we go biking? Is it cold? No. Yeah. I think the last one we did was well, not Kokanee. What was that one we did after that? That little hike up.
That viewpoint from Nelson.
Yeah. What was that viewpoint called? Nahanni Ridge Trail. We're just right up there. It's not too far. Okay. So, where are we going? Here. Here. Go down this trail a bit, and then up, and then hit the trail, the ridge. Good, eh? Okay. Oh, that mummy doesn't know that. But mostly that you don't know that. Here it is. Where are we going, Abby? Nahanni. Where? Nahanni. Nahanni Ridge Trail. Good job. It's a picnic.
Yeah.
That'd be pretty lazy thing to do. Why they might not like bounce at it? If you know you might find one adventure. Mom?
So what are you guys looking at?
Oh, look at the view. Look at that. I told her, you go first, it looks dangerous. Stop here and then carry on?
Yep, up the ridge.
Oh, this way?
Yeah.
How far do you want to go down here before we have lunch?
Doesn't make any difference.
Do you think we'll pop out of the trees shortly after? Kind of sharp and pointy under the bum kind of thing? Dangling in the air?
No, that's not what I'm thinking.
What were you thinking?
Just like narrow.
Yeah, no.
Like,
I think so. Camera away, Dad! Dad, there's a nook. Are we there yet?
are we there yet?
Are we there yet? Oh, we're not there yet.
Yeah.
Should we feed the child?
I guess so.
Should we feed the child?
Or else.
Hey, right, look at this view, Abby.
Yeah. So we finally got it right. It's Nahahi Ridge that we did today. Nahahi.
My dad just kind of speak up.
Gee, really.
Nahahi Ridge.
Love it.
Kiss the camera.
I
So,
said do not count me in it.
so what did we just climb?
A something. Now go away.
Nahahi Ridge.
Go
Was it fun?
away. Yes. Sort of no. Not really. Goodbye!